Welcome and good morning, students. Let us continue with our second chapter of science, the living world. Hope you must have watched our previous videos which made on this chapter. We have seen the characteristics of living things such as growth, respiration, excretion, responsiveness to stimuli, reproduction, a definite lifespan. Today, in this video, we are going to learn next characteristic, a cellular structure. After that, we will see useful living things and harmful living things. Okay, so we will see the first. Do you know the lifespan of the giant turtle found on the Galapagos Island in South America is about 170 years. On the other hand, the lifespan of the mayfly ranges from 1 hour to 24 hours. I will show this you. See, this is turtle 170 years before in South America, and second picture is mayfly. Its lifespan about only 1 hour to 24 hours. Okay. So next is observe a honeycomb and wall. What are made up of? Honeycomb. Honeycomb means what? Honeycomb, a structure of hexagonal cells of wax made by bees to store honeycomb and eggs. You may have seen the small compartments of honeycomb. These compartments are joined together to form a honeycomb. A wall has bricks. To construct a wall, we firmly join the bricks together. See, we can see 2.13 a wall. A wall is made up of bricks. Everyone knows wall is made up of bricks. And in the second, the yellow color, that are the compartments. Compartment means what? A separate section or a part of something. So honeycomb make these compartments for what? For what? Storing honey and eggs. Okay, so like that way our body is made up of what? These compartments and the wall of bricks. So that are called what? Cells. So the next point is what? A cellular structure. Living things are made up of small units called cells. All the actions and processes in the bodies of living things are brought about with the help of these microscopic cells. These cells are very tiny. We cannot see with our naked eyes. Okay, so you understood? See, again I will read this. Living things are made up of small units called cells, and all the action and process in the bodies of living things are brought about with the help of these microscopic cells. So if you have to see the cells, then we have to use what? Microscope. With the help of microscope we can see the cells. So I will show here. Some living things are made up of a single cell. These are called unicellular organisms. Unicellular organism means, uni means what? Single. So some living things are called the unicellular organisms. On other hand, the living things that are made of many cells are called multicellular. Multi means what? Many. Multicellular organisms. The amoeba and some other microorganisms are unicellular, while man, cow, mouse, cockroach, elephants, banyan tree, the onion plant, etc. are all multicellular organisms. All the characteristics of living things are seen in every cell of a living thing, whether it is unicellular or multicellular. Here I would like to show you. See, this is amoeba, then paramecium. These two living things are unicellular organisms, and while that cockroach, mouse, man, cow, elephants, banyan tree, onion plants are made up of multicellular organisms. So downside you can see this picture. Cellular structure is the main characteristics of living things. Cellular structure is the main characteristic of living things, even though the number of cells may vary. Vary means what? Differ. So it means the in living things having the cell structure, but their cell structure is differ from each other. See, you can see here in the picture, these are the picture given. See, this is onion plant, then elephant, then this is banyan tree. Their cellular structure is differ from each other. Got it? I hope you understood this characteristic of living things very well, a cellular structure. Okay, so we will move the next page. See, institute of at work. The institutes that work for the survey and conservation of various plants and animals in different parts of India are the Botanical Survey of India 1890 and the Zoological Survey of India 1916 respectively. In case you find an unfamiliar plant or animal in your surroundings, you can communicate with these institutes of obtain more information about it. If you can see in your surrounding different type of animals and plants, if you want to take the information about this type of plants and animals, then you can contact this type of institutions. Okay, got it, students? Okay, so next we will see, can you tell in what way are plants and animals useful to us? First, I will read out the paragraph. Plants are used for household as well as industrial purposes. For example, fenugreek, potato, okra. Okra means what? Bhendi. We also say lady's finger. Apple, banana are used as food, while vasaka, hirda, beheda, asparagus are used as medicines. Okay, I would like to show here also vasaka. Okay, in the next paragraph, animals are also useful to us. Dogs, cats, cows, buffaloes are kept for domestic uses. Fish, sheep, fowl are used as food, while animals like horses, oxen, camel prove useful in various occupations. The earthworm is very useful in agriculture. Okay, I will show you here. See, this is what, which leaf? Vasaka leaves. This is vasaka is used in curve or hirda, beheda, asparagus. These all are the plants are medicinal plants. Potato used as a vegetables, and dog protect our house. Got it? Okay, so we also see the different types of animals like horses, oxen, camel. They useful in transportation and farming also. Then earthworm is also very useful to the farmers. Earthworm, what it does? So the earthworm make the soil fertile and irrigated. Okay, harmful living things. Some animals and plants around us are harmful to man. For example, mosquitoes and flies spread diseases. Yes, mosquitoes and flies spread diseases that can cause malaria, filaria, these types of diseases. Also dengue, chikungunya. So like that all diseases. So the next what? Cockroaches, mice, rats destroy our food. Lice, ticks also spread diseases. The bites of some poisonous lizards, spiders, snakes, and scorpions can even cause death. Yes, bites of some poisonous lizards, spiders, snakes, and scorpions can even cause death. If wild elephants enter human settlements, they cause a lot of destruction. Destruction means what? To destroy something. Some plants too can be harmful us. For example, the dodder, parthenium, and other weeds. Parthenium is a wild plant. It is in heart shape. So I will show here the another one also plant. See, Colocasia leaves and Datura. Datura is in white in color. Okay. See, so just we have seen in before paragraph living things, in that plants and animals how they are useful to us, and in the next paragraph we have seen the harmful living things, in that plants and animals how they are harmful to us. See, the next last paragraph is spots of the needle Colocasia leaves cause the itching. Plants like Oleander lantana have the strong odors. The Datura plant is a poisonous. Pods of nettle. Pods means what? Open both the sides when ripe. And nettle is a wild plant with heart-shaped leaves that are covered in hair that sting. Colocasia leaves. You can see here the Colocasia that are also in heart shape. Plants like Oleander lantana have the strong odors. The Datura plant is a poisonous. Uncontrolled growth of fungi and algae in water pollutes drinking water and may cause spread of diseases. Okay, I hope you all understand. I hope you understand a cellular structure, useful living things, harmful living things. Just after this video, I will explain in the next video about the wild animals. Okay.